All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us right now. Shocking resignation of Professor Wale Adeniran from Yoruba Nation. Well, this had been shocking news to everyone right now onto this one. Well, a lot of things though had actually been said onto this. Majority of people do not understand what exactly has happened. Yes, for real, Professor Wale Adeniran tendered a resignation letter, but majority of people are taking it on the other way around. Yes, he had tendered this resignation letter, but the resignation letter to which he tendered has a content that it carried. Yes, a lot of for the benefit of a majority of people that do not understand what actually know what the resignation letter means and then how it was presented. I will be reading that to you so you understand that Professor Wale Adeniran is still with Yoruba Nation movement. He has not resigned from the movement. Well, my people, let me just read this so you will understand what the content of the resignation letter carries. Well, according to Professor Wale Adeniran, I will be reading this out. He says, in his words, Dear Professor Banji Akintoye, as a matter of principle, I hereby give a notice of my resignation from the position of the Deputy Alano Ilana Omo Odua worldwide with effect from Sunday, November 6, 2022. All right, and this is just very straightforward. He has not said he is resigning from Yoruba Nation finally, but let's take that part again. Yes, I hereby give a notice of my resignation letter from the position of the deputy Alano Ilana Omo Odua worldwide, meaning him being the deputy to Professor Banji Akintoye, that he is resigning as a deputy leader of the Yoruba Alano Omo Odua worldwide movement. And no, that has not said he had left Yoruba Nation movement. And he said this will take effect from Sunday, November 6th, 2022. All right, and I think that had been taken. Well, because of no bad people, we have a lot of people who do not want well for the Yoruba Nation movement. If we do not clear this out, they will take it in another way round. They will be like, yes, look at it now. They are leaving one after the other. No, but the reverse is now the case. We are letting you people understand that Professor Wale Adeniran had not resigned, had not left the Yoruba Nation movement. He just resigned as a deputy leader to Professor Banji Akintoye. And everybody needs to understand, because some sort of people want everything to scatter. All those kind of people should hear this clearly right now. And meanwhile, he continued in the letter saying, however, given my irrevocable commitment to the realization of an independent and then sovereign Yoruba nation state separate from Nigeria, I hereby affirm that I remain a dedicated member of our freedom fighting organization. Can you hear that? He says he has affirmed this, that he remains a dedicated member. Can you hear that? That he is still dedicated as a member of the freedom fighting organization. So, for all the people that have been carrying fake news, fake rumors that you see Professor Wale Adeniran had left Yoruba Nation finally. No, 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 no. We have corrected it. Nothing of such has happened. Nothing of such will happen. Yeah, so for all the fake people who do not want Yoruba Nation to be actualized, if we do not come out right now, if we do not come out to clear this, they will carry this false information everywhere that yes, so everything has scattered. Yes, they are living one by one, they are living one after the other. Look at now this professor too, shey you no know any that Professor Wale Adeniran now, wey everybody dey talk about that time wey dey with them from Cotonou. See am now, the man sef don comot. Well, the reverse is now the case. In case you don't know, it had been cleared from the letter. And then our prayer is that the Yoruba Nation movement will continue to grow from strength to strength, and the actualization, the declaration will not destroy any life in Jesus' name, and so shall it be. For anyone who is who is praying that these people should separate, who is praying that good things should not happen with the agitators, the person right now will definitely get the reward of any wickedness he or she had planned, because it will never be the portion of these people. Back to sender. Yes, according to the people, they will say back to sender, and exactly what it is. Because right now, the people have been suffering. The people are suffering, and then right now, God is ready to save the people. So anyone who does not want good thing to happen, then himself and his family members will definitely rot in wickedness, and then it will never favor them, it will never work for them. They will never succeed in any of their plans, wicked plans against the good people, because the situation to which we have found ourselves right now is not a good one. It's nothing to write home about, and there's some set of people will now be carrying this fake rumor. Fine, the man actually resigned, but he did not leave Yoruba Nation movement too. Okay, because he has said that he affirmed that he remains a dedicated member of our freedom fighting organization. Now, I don't hear am, and exactly what it is, exactly the news that is reaching our table right now. Professor Wale Adeniran has affirmed that he remains a dedicated member of our freedom fighting organization. What more can we say? Well, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.